Hi friends, welcome back to Urban Throttler. Recently I uploaded a Instagram reel and also a YouTube short showing my seat cowl and my cafe racer kit, the whole cafe racer kit. And a lot of people asked me questions about how they can remove the mudguard from their bike. People who still have the stock seat, and so that is the reason I went back to Honda. I mean, honestly, my seat and all the accessories that were removed were still in the showroom. So I brought them back today, and I'm creating a detailed video on how you can convert the stock seat into a cafe racer kit or vice versa. Some of you also asked how easy is it to just remove this seat cowl and make your bike two-seater again. So I will be covering all those questions. Now to start with, people who have stock Highness, people who have single seat with the mudguard, I will tell you the steps on how you can remove this, but please note that all these items are from Honda itself except the tail tidy and the mudguard. So these I've purchased from Amazon itself. You can comment on the video and I will share the links with you. Now the first thing that you would have to do in order to remove the seat is you would have to open these four screws. One, then two. Now I have already removed two just to save some time. Three, and where is the fourth one? Fourth. Now you're of course thinking that how we can remove this. So the answer would be, I mean, since I do not have the mudguard, I'm also thinking while creating this video. So the first point would be that you would first have to remove this screw from here from using an Allen key. Once you do that, I will for now just remove this is attached to the seat itself. So first you will have to remove the first screw from here. Once you do that, just push your seat backwards and lift it. Just a minute. Yeah. Okay, so with using just by opening a single screw with the Allen key, your seat will come off. Now once you do that, you would have to open four screws. Now, I'm just showing you how the bike currently looks. This is the HJG light setup. This is Fuelix Pro Plus. This is where all the wiring has been done for the indicators and the there's also a light on tail tidy, so all the wiring has been done through this, and also a LED strip as well. Now once the seat is removed, you would have to open these four screws. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you would have to open these four screws. There's also a leg guard or that would come here, which is usually placed here like this. Okay, so we'll just keep this aside. Now once you open these four screws, let me just open it right now. I don't think they are loose. I was earlier thinking that the seat cowl comes with its own grill, and I also informed some of you that, so I was wrong. So once you open the four screws, this hand bar will come off. Put it here. So these are two screws. I have kept the two screws aside. So once you remove these four screws, you will get to see this seat back cowl. Now if you have the mudguard on your bike, the stock mudguard, you will see that there will be screws here as well. So in the mudguard, you will see that these two screws will be attached with the mudguard. Also this screw, these two screws are also attached with the mudguard. So in order to remove the stock mudguard from your Honda Highness, you would have to open these four screws. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, these two are for the single seat, these two screws are for the single seat option. Now once you remove these four screws, you can remove the mudguard. Now remember to remove all the wires before you take the mudguard off. Now once that is done, now this is for people who would want to remove their stock seats. In order to install the seat cowl and the single seat, let me just pick it up. Again, the steps are pretty much the same. You would have to put the seat on your bike, lining it with these holes and push it frontward. Once you do that, these holes will align and you can put these two screws. Let me just, yeah, these two. So you can put these two screws here. Just a minute. I forgot. So for now, I will just quickly show you how it's done, and I will clean it up later. Alright, so let's say this is done. I will add this later. Now once that is done, this is how your bike will look. And now if you already have the seat cowl, you can just pick it up, align it with the holes itself. Again, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these are the 4 screws that you would have to use in order to put the seat cowl. Now people who already have split seats, honestly I don't know how can you do that. I'm assuming that the other split seat that Honda offers would also have the same configuration. Just a minute, yeah. So the reason I'm assuming that is because when I asked the service center that how can I make my bike two-seater again, they told me that you can get the second seat in the same color, maybe in the same padding, I don't know, in around 1300, and I can make my bike two-seater again. But I would have to remove all of that, remove the same setup. Now, do you have to add this bar again in order to make your bike two-seater? I don't think so. So even if you don't do that, you can still make it two-seater. Let me just quickly show you. Just a minute. A lot of screws, I might get confused later. Yeah. So let's say you have removed the cowl seat. I'm sorry, I'm holding my phone from one hand, so it's pretty hard for me to create the video. Now put the seat back, push it frontwards, and that's it. Okay, now is this a scalable solution? It is actually. I mean, of course it shakes a little, but is it easy to remove? No, because you would have to, so I'm applying pressure, trust me I am. You would have to push the seat backwards and then lift it up. Okay, so actually these are the 2 screws that holds the bike with these. Okay, let me just move it back, and done. Okay, now people who already have the rear mudguard, I don't think there will be any challenge, because again the mudguard is attached with those 4 screws. It is not attached to this handlebar. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know if there is anything else that you would want me to cover. I hope this is helpful, and just a quick request, please subscribe to my channel and hit like. It honestly, it would just boost me to create more content around Honda Highness. Thank you guys.